I don't know if you can see. Like literally just cracked all the way around. So on you, bro. little dusty on the filter.
Make more than a teacher, I'm a dropout.
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
If you watched the last video where we went on the ride on the big bikes, you know some things went wrong with the YZ, leaky fork seals, crankcase was leaking, the O-rings in there, my back tire popped. And it's like all the knobs on the sides are just like tearing off. And it was just time to do some maintenance on this thing. So shout out Motorsport, we got a few goodies in here today. Yeah, it's time to give this YZ a little quick TLC. So we're gonna start taking this apart and put everything on. First things first though, had to make a big move if we're gonna be doing this back tire. One more. An absolute must before we do anything today. We got air filter, oil filter, the O-rings, oil. Oh damn, I forgot I got this too. Clutch cable, and yeah, basically a whole upgrade piece. Figure out the air filter, clutch cable situation, and then I'll do the back wheel. And yep, what? Time to get this YZ a little freshened up because I'm hopefully gonna go riding again this weekend on the big bike. So we gotta do it. Good on you, bro. Little dusty on the filter. Good. Alright, time to put the new tire on. Get a freshie on the back. This thing's been thrashed since like I got this bike, so it's gonna be nice having a new tire. Alright, new tire is on the rim. I actually gave up on it, boys. I literally was so tired of trying to use these Amazon tire levers and them actually bending trying to get my dirt bike tire off. They work good on like the moped tires and like smaller tires, but this thick tire, it was not having it. So I actually gave up on it, smashed my thumb a couple good times, and yeah. Brought it to my buddy's cycle shop. He threw it on for me today. Also, I needed a new tube because I guess my tube had a bunch of holes in it. It was probably from me with the tire levers, but we won't talk about that. Put it all together now. Change the oil on the bike and the O-rings on the crankcase and do a few things like that, and then this bike will be ready to go riding this weekend, boys. So yes sir. Alright, time for a little oil change on this thing. It's about time. Oh my god, that thing was too tight, bro. Oil filter's going in. You put it with this side towards the motor. Oil it up a little bit with some oil. So my bike, since I got it, pretty much leaked out of here in this area, as you can see right here. And I just took this bolt off, and there wasn't even an I just put this O-ring in there. That's why it's in there. It's the brand new one. but there wasn't one in there before. That's kind of crazy. So that kind of explains why it was always leaking out there. O-ring in there. That's crazy. Should be a whole better seal now. We're going with, boys. Good old Lucas Oil. Shout out the sponsor. Quick little maintenance piece on the YZ. I figured we might as well clean the chain up a little bit. So let's do it, boys. Alright, let's go take this thing on the block and see if everything's good on it real quick. I had the petcock off and ran out of gas lead pulling into the driveway right there, but everything else seems super good, so I'm stoked. I still don't know about the fork seals. The fork seals probably will still leak, but have to do that next time or something. But for now, this thing's dialed. So now I can go on rides with the 250 and everything. So probably gonna hit that this weekend, and probably some pit bike action this weekend. Dude, I wish my 250 clutch felt this good. This thing's just so smooth. My 250 clutch is just so hard. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna get started on tearing this 150 back apart and fixing that. As you saw last time riding, last time I went out riding, I cracked the motor mount on that. So I gotta grind that down, re-weld that, probably put a gusset in there, and do a few more things to the 150 to get it ready for the ride out. So yeah, that's to come. Next weekend if you live in, or next week if you live in Vegas, there is the Mini Moto Takeover ride. So yeah, get your things, get out there, do some wheelies, and mob it with the boys. And more to come with the two-stroke scooter really soon. So more with that 120, putting that in. Make sure to check out the description. Get a MOPBOYZ sticker if you want to support your boys. Thank you to everyone. We just hit 44K on the channel. Super stoked on that, and always more to come. So I'll see you guys in the next one.